Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix subscription issues on Patreon in 2026. So if your membership isn't working, payments are failing, or access isn't unlocking properly, don't worry, we'll go through the most common fixes step by step. First, go to your account settings and open your memberships or active subscriptions. Check if your status says active, paused, or expired. This tells you exactly what's going wrong. Next, make sure your payment method is working. If your card is expired, declined, or has insufficient funds, your subscription won't go through. Update your payment details and try again. Now try resubscribing or restoring your membership. Sometimes Patreon just needs a fresh confirmation, especially if the previous payment failed or timed out. Also, check your email inbox for any billing alerts or payment failure messages. Patreon usually sends a notice if something goes wrong, and it often includes a direct fix link. If everything looks fine but it still isn't working, try clearing your browser cache or updating the app. Sometimes old data causes subscription errors without you even noticing. And if nothing works, it might be time to contact support. Explain your issue clearly and include screenshots of your subscription page so they can help you faster. And that's it. Most subscription issues on Patreon can be fixed by checking payment status, updating details, or simply retrying the membership. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next guide.